Hey everyone, today I want to talk about this amazing IP68 waterproof case. It's not only waterproof but also dustproof and can withstand drops of up to 3 meters. It's really simple to put on and take off, and once it's on, it doesn't affect the touchscreen or any of the phone's functions. Even if you accidentally drop your phone, this case will protect it from any damage. In this case, installation is a simple thing. You can see it. And if you're someone who loves outdoor activities or taking their phone to the beach or pool, this case is a must-have. Okay, guys, I explained this waterproof iPhone case. Guys, what do you think about this case? I hope your feeling is better now. Did you see this super deal offer? 3 days available, guys. You can choose your iPhone series of this part. I calculated this case supported the 23 iPhone series. It is a great opportunity for you. But you can choose only 2 colors. Other color iPhone cases are sold out. Please check this seller's positive feedback. It is 95.8%. Wow, it is great. So, we can believe this seller now. Guys, did you see this case customer reviews? I saw 388 customer reviews. You can see this customer reviews. What do you think about these case images? So, if you like this case, you can check my iPhone case collection.